Hey Fit Fam, today I'm gonna give you a cable crunch tutorial. Stay tuned. I often see this exercise done many different ways in the gym, but I'm gonna show you how I do it so I feel effective on my body. The first step is distance yourself from the weight. Many people do this exercise way too close to the weight, messing up their form. Next, place the rope high enough where you have to stretch to reach it. You should feel like stretching your abs when you're reaching for the rope. One of the most important ones is flex your abs before starting the movement. This helps with the mind-muscle connection, and you'll feel a contraction more when you flex it before starting the movement, and try to flex it throughout the movement. Try to get the full range of motion without letting the weight touch the rack. This keeps constant tension on your abs. Too many people are half repping it and wondering why they have no abs. Get the full range of motion. As with all exercises that I'll show you, take your time with the movement and breathe in the way out at the bottom. Also at the bottom, you can take a slight pause. Count 1, 2, 3, then back up. You're gonna feel it even more in your abs when you do this. Aggressively overload. You can do this by increasing the reps in each set or increasing the weight. Don't rush to do this, get the movement down first and then increase from there. If you found this video helpful at all, please like, share, and subscribe. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?